In this video, I'm going to react to the worst motocross crashes of all time. Guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. This is a place where I react to music, media, sports, anime, anything related to popular culture. I'll watch it with an open mind and give you my 100% honest reaction to it. And if you could please hit that like button early, I'd really appreciate it. So this is going to be an interesting one. After I reacted to the worst crashes of the Isle of Man TT, quite a few people recommended that I react to this, so the worst motocross crashes. I don't really know much about motocross, even though I'm into a lot of motorsports, Formula One, now NASCAR. Motocross has been something that I've not really learnt about. From my knowledge, it's they ride their bikes over like rough terrain, so it's not like a smooth track like Motogp or Formula One. So you know, the suspension of the bikes is required to be a lot stronger, because obviously if you're going up a ramp, you're going to be bouncing on your bike, and the suspension is going to need to be able to absorb the shocks. So that makes for quite an interesting prospect, because you know, I imagine if you go off a hill, for example, and you're airborne, and maybe you're tilted a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right, you're not going to land flush, you're going to just crash the bike. But anyway, let's go. This is going to be my reaction to the worst motocross crashes of all time. Let's do it. Let's go. Oh man, look at the air. Oh!
No way. Oh, massive.
Oh!
His hand off, looks like right when he landed.
Look at the air he got. Thud. Lucky the bike took most of that, but dang, he... Oh. Yeah, so the terrain, like you can see. Oh! Jeez. Man, look at the air these guys get. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god, the dude in yellow, man. Oh, that was a big one. Oh. The fear, you know, the flailing, that, oh. Ooh. What happened there? Oh my god, he went into the crowd. Oh my god. Jeez Louise, man. Oof. Oh no. Oh no, wheel-to-wheel collision. This is the thing, you know, these bikes are going pretty quick. Oh dude, he's hurt his leg. Oh boy, he's hurt his wrist. So what happened here? Oh, it's the landing. Yeah. This, oh man. Oh no. He's hurt his arm, dude. Oh boy. Ooh! Gosh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh my god, the guy ran him over with his bike. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh god. Oh, that's just pure unlucky. So unlucky. Oh! Dude. Oh god, these are brutal, dude. Thank goodness that the, oh god, you know what, I was about to say, thank goodness that the borders, the things on the borders aren't made of like tough, hard material, but still, slamming into that would be painful. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh.
Let's watch and see what happens to number 4.
Oh God, what happened there? Too much power, I would imagine. He revved it way too hard. Dude. Oh man, what happened? Look at the bouncing of the front and back wheels. The terrain is just the terrain is just unforgiving, man. Completely unforgiving. Oh dear. Oh, it looked like he's Scorpion there. His back just went in like a C shape. Oh man, look at the terrain. So difficult to maneuver your bike. Oh my God, if you fall off your bike, the last thing you want to see is 10 dudes on their bike just coming for you. You know, you're on the floor.
That was a lucky escape, as you asked me.
Oh! Oh my God, look at the weight. Look at... Oh! Did you see his body just get tossed? Oh my God, just look. He got flung like a rag doll. Oh, they're so tight. Inevitable that something was going to happen there. So just jam-packed together. Oof! Did you see how close that guy was from hitting him? Oh, mate, you've got to be durable to ride in motocross. Savage. Oh no, mid-air collision. Mate, look how high he is. Oh, dude, he's lost control of the bike. Dang, man. Oh, dear. Doesn't look good for that guy. Just look how sharp this corner is. You know, and the terrain is just so gravelly. You know, getting traction must be so difficult. You know, like, oh man, was that just misfortune or was that deliberate? Oh God, right into the, you know, the blockade, the barricade, whatever you want to call it. He went right into that. Oh, jeez, get out of the way. Oh. Oh man, what happened? Oh mate, face first, bang. Yo, this is, God. These guys are brave dudes, man. Oh! This is what I mentioned before. If you don't land perfectly flush, chances are you're gonna start eating dirt, man. Oh, man, these guys, man, balls of steel. planetary-sized testicles. Oh,
Wow, that's a huge tabletop.
look at the air. Oh man,
He is very,
that could be a
very
broken leg. It
lucky.
looked like his knee slammed right into the bike. Woo! Man, motocross. This is honestly, that was incredible. There's just so many sports out there that are entertaining, that, you know, just get your blood going. That was just unbelievable. These guys, the air time they were getting on these bikes was just ridiculous. Some of them had to be at least 20 feet in the air. You know, 20 feet in the air on terrain that's not level, that's grainy, you know, so your wheels might not get, the tread doesn't really matter if it's, you know, if the terrain is crumbling underneath them. There's no guarantee, even if you land flush and straight, perfectly straight, there's no guarantee that the guy next to you might not just shove you down into the thing. Unbelievable bravery and courage from the drivers. Huge balls. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and keep throwing the recommendations at me. I know I say it all the time, but they genuinely help me out, because if I know you enjoyed watching something, I'll definitely enjoy reacting to it. So like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, keep throwing the recommendations, and I'll catch you in the next one.